Hi everyone, this is Asif Malik and this is the second video of the ES6 Let's Do It tutorial series. In this video I'm going to show you how to set default parameters in ECMAScript 6, but first let's take a look at how we do this in ECMAScript 5. So I have here a convert to JPY function which takes in two parameters, amount and currency, which would be in a string form. And what it's gonna do is convert the amount in that currency to Japanese yen using this object. So I'm gonna return the amount multiplied by rates to Japanese yen and getting the rate from that currency to Japanese yen. So I'm gonna multiply with the rate to the amount and return that value. So let's see what we get when we alert this out. So first we're gonna have amount, which is gonna be 150, and we're gonna have it in US dollar and convert that into Japanese yen, and let's see what we get. We get a value, and I think it's the right one. And if I change this to GBP, I should get a different value. Yeah, so it's working. But what I want to do is I want to set a default parameter to this. If I don't set pass in any value, any parameter argument, then if I refresh, I'm gonna get not a number. That's because since this is undefined, this is gonna be undefined as well, and so this whole thing will return undefined because there's no undefined key. So what's gonna happen is undefined is gonna get multiplied with this value, which is 150 now, and so when undefined is multiplied with a number, it's obviously gonna return not a number. So that's why it alerts out not a number. But what I want to do is set currency to US dollar if nothing has been specified. So default would be US dollar. So I'm going to check the currency. If it is equal to, if the type of currency is equal to undefined, I'm going to go and set this to US dollar. Otherwise, I'm going to set this to whatever currency is currently set to. Save that, and it should give the same value as it did when we ran first, and it did. So now what I'm going to do is copy this and paste it into my ECMAScript 6 method file. Save this, and it should work the same way because ES6 works with ES5 works with ES6, and it does, but we have a better way to do this in ECMAScript 6, much easier and cleaner than this. So I'm going to remove the whole thing, and instead of having that, all I need to do is set this equal to US dollar, and if I do that and save it and refresh, it's going to give out the same value. However, to show that it's not setting all of them to US dollar, if I have GBP, it's gonna work the way we want it to work, and it actually does. So that's how you set default parameters in ECMAScript 6. Subscribe for more ECMAScript 6 tutorials, and see you in the next video.